Welcome back to Zoo Arts and Crafts time. Today we're going to create a bird hand drawing. The materials you will need are a blank piece of paper, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. First, lay your hand on the paper as shown. Trace the outline. Repeat this process with the other hand, being sure to connect the thumbs at the top. You may find it easier to flip your hand palm side up. Add squiggles along the bottom to create tail feathers. Then, add any detail you like. Everyone's bird will be unique. Next, add squiggles to give the head some definition. Put in eyes and a beak. Add any additional details that you like. And color to create your own unique bird. We'd love to see your birds. Put them in the comments below, and we hope you'll join us next time for another edition of Zoo Arts and Crafts.